Previous so many people are doing such a video into YouTube, and they are searching Google to find the web that in search. So like that only I have also searched each and everything. I search in Google, I search in the YouTube, Facebook, everything wherever I have source, social media source, I had done search on that. Finally, I had selected two books. One is the Python manual written by the Block IT. And the second one is Python Beginners for Content Insta. These are the two books I refer to learn the Python, and some of the YouTube channels also I refer to learn the Python. Why it takes nearly 4 months of time for me to learn the Python. This basically every day I have choose 2 hours to 3 hours per day to learn the Python. Like that I have learned. After completing of Python, I don't know how to implement the syntaxes perfectly. That is my main drawback when I start learning Python. So before that, I have a brief idea on C language also. My same exams I have written the C language. So that is some of the knowledge it helped me to out from the Python. So these are the things where I have come under the thing, and how I overcome that type of problems, and what are the solutions I have taken that. I am doing the practicing of each and every syntaxes and condition statements, variables, some of the things, OOPS concepts, how did it come and where we want to use, like that, and doing some of the basic problem questions. These are the things I have done in my YouTube channel. These are the things I have learned my own experience things, and many more that and these books are helped me a lot to overcome this type of learning coding things. Now I am able to write a perfect code, and I am able to run the perfect syntaxes in Python. These are the things I had done. But why it take me 4 months of time? Because I don't know where to start the Python. So many I refer so many people's. I have so many members. They did not give me a perfect guidance, and so many people tell that start with C language, and some of the people tell that start with Python. Different. They are gives make me so much confusion. Finally, one day I have decided that I move into the Python, because Python is a perfect thing to move into the data science. At the time of data science, I don't know perfect meaning of data science. When I start learning Python, I simply learn the Python and move into the Java, move into the Django. These are the things I have think like that. But when I start learning Python, step by step, I have improved my coding language skills, and what is the benefits of learning of Python. Like that, step by step, I have understand each and everything. So this is a main pillar of my life and my career. When the pandemic has came, the pandemic has changed my life, and my main focus, my career objective, move into the data science. This is the thing I have learned from the pandemic. So these are all my experience how I learned Python. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Please never give up my experience. Okay friends, bye bye, take care.